Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 13, Quranic Verses, Moderation in Worship. Ha. We do not send down the Quran on you so that you suffer distress in your duty of conveying it to people. Surah Taha, Chapter 20, verses 1 to 2. Allah wills ease for you, and He does not will hardship for you. Surah Al-Baqarah, Chapter 2, verse 185. Hadith number 85, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Nikah, 1. Sahih Muslim, Nikah, 5. Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, 3 people came to the houses of the wives of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, to ask about how the Prophet worshipped. When they were told, it was as if they thought it was little and said, where are we in relation to the Messenger of Allah? Peace and blessings be upon him. Who has been forgiven his past and future wrong actions? He said, one of them said, I will pray all of every night. Another said, I will fast all the time and not break the fast. The other said, I will withdraw from women and never marry. The Messenger of Allah came to them and said, are you the ones who said such and such? By Allah, I am the one among you with the most fear and awareness of Allah. But I fast and break the fast. I pray and I sleep, and I marry women. Whoever disdains my sunnah is not with me. Hadith number 86, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Imam, 29. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, the religion is easy. Anyone who makes the religion too hard on himself will find it becomes too much for him. So aim for what is right, follow a middle path, accept the good news of the reward for right action, and seek help to reach your goal by being constant in worshiping in the morning, evening, and some of the night. Annotation. As sensible travelers and riders prefer to set the road during the times when both themselves and their mounts are in good condition, servants of good should observe the same principle at hours of worship in order to seek good pleasure of Allah, make progress in the spiritual path, and complete the journey of this world soundly, without being diverted by anything on the way. Hadith number 87, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Tahajjud, 18. Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin, 219. Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, entered the mosque, and there was a rope hanging between 2 pillars. He asked, what is this rope? They replied, the rope belongs to Zainab. When she is tired, she hangs on to it. The Prophet said, no, remove it. You should pray as long as you have the energy for it. When you are tired, you should sit down. Hadith number 88, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Psalm 51, Adab, 86. Abu Juhayfa Wahab ibn Abdullah, may Allah be pleased with him, said, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, joined Solomon and Abu Darda together in brotherhood. Solomon visited Abu Darda and saw Darda poorly dressed and said to her, what's the matter with you? She said, your brother Abu Darda has no need of this world. Abu Darda came and made some food for him. Solomon said, eat. He said, I am fasting. Solomon said, I will not eat unless you eat. He said he ate. In the night, Abu Darda went to stand in prayer, and Solomon said to him, sleep, and he slept. Then he got up again, and Solomon said, sleep. At the end of the night, Solomon said, now get up and we will pray. Solomon said to him, your Lord has rights over you, and yourself has rights over you. So give those with rights their due. Abu Darda came to the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, and mentioned this to him, and the Prophet said, Solomon spoke the truth. Sahih al-Bukhari, Psalm 51, Adab 86.